Welcome to the Revit Architecture Certification Program. This course is designed to transform your career from beginner to professional, mastering industry-ready building information modeling, or BIM skills. This comprehensive course allows you to master architectural BIM workflows in Autodesk Revit, from conceptual massing to detailed construction documentation. The program bridges academic theory with industry reality. Discover the power of BIM and transition from 2D drafting to intelligent 3D modeling. Revit allows you to seamlessly manage the entire project lifecycle, ensuring parametric accuracy and automation potential. The program is a structured 9-module journey, guiding you from BIM concepts and interface foundations to advanced capstone projects. Key areas include modeling, documentation, collaboration, and automation. Modules 1 through 3 cover foundational skills, core architectural modeling, and parametric content creation. You will learn to navigate the Revit environment, model a coordinated architectural shell, and build reusable parametric families. Modules 4 through 6 focus on documentation standards, visualization, and collaboration. You will learn to produce professional drawing sets, generate compelling photorealistic visuals, and safely collaborate using work sharing. Modules 7 through 9 cover analysis, automation, and real-world project delivery. Key topics include phasing, quantity takeoffs, interoperability with other software, and a culminating capstone project. Upon completion, you will possess a comprehensive skill set. You will be able to build coordinated BIM models, create parametric families, produce professional documentation, and master team collaboration. See what our students create, from initial concept to professional documentation. These portfolios showcase their final capstone projects, including mid-rise residential complexes and commercial interiors. Our training opens doors to diverse career paths in high demand. These roles include Revit Architect, BIM Modeler, Architectural Drafter, and Visualization Specialist. The course provides a clear pathway to success. We offer comprehensive placement readiness and support. This includes portfolio refinement, resume optimization, mock interviews, and technical aptitude training to transform you into an industry-ready professional. Start your journey to become a Revit Pro. Enroll now for the upcoming batch to transform your career with industry-ready BIM skills.